How to cleanse your kidneys naturally in 8 steps. Reverse kidney damage. Kidneys. These little organs could pack a lot of punch, from filtering an incredible 180 liters of blood daily to balancing essential nutrients that must not be altered. The kidneys are big timers on humanity's team. Not only that, let us show you some incredible, natural ways to take care of your kidneys. These tips are too good to miss, so be sure to stick around until the end of the video. You're about to learn some kidney cleansing secrets that will have your body feeling young again and getting energy for the world. Let's see what they are. The heart, lungs, brain, and kidneys. These are the most important organs in the body. That's right, the kidneys are just as vital to your survival as the heart. After all, you can't live without at least one. One of the important functions that kidneys have is to clean the blood. The blood delivers nutrients to the body. Chemical reactions in the cells of our bodies break down the nutrients. Some of the waste is produced by these chemical reactions. On the other hand, some are unnecessary because the body has enough nutrients. So where does the waste go? This is where the kidneys come in. Our problem is that you won't notice anything wrong with this disease in its early stages. You will not notice when your kidneys are no longer functioning the way they should. Until the disease is quite serious, it usually doesn't bother us. The following list of 8 foods to detox and cleanse the kidneys are so incredibly easy to come by and work great. If you have diabetes, a family history, or high blood pressure, simply eat these foods in their raw form. Number 1. Apples. Did you know apples could help prevent kidney disease? With all their crunch, sweetness, and juice, apples seem to have an affinity for purifying your body and enhancing kidney function. Apples are also a great source of fiber, and a 100-calorie apple has about 17 grams of it. That's good news if you've got kidney disease. There are 2 forms of fiber, soluble and insoluble. And when it comes to doing a good cleaning job on substances that lead to such illnesses as kidney disease, it's soluble fiber that you need. It acts like a little bouncer at the door of your intestines, trapping toxins and then tossing them out of your system. This allows your kidneys to be as lazy as possible, not having to be concerned with much more than their real job, that is ridding your body of waste and filtering your blood. Apples also contain antioxidants, which protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and free radicals. These little troublemakers are bad news for all of your organs and tissues. The antioxidants found in apples act as a shield, protecting your body from them, and they also restore your kidneys so that they work more efficiently. So the next time you bite into a crisp, sweet one, pat yourself on the back for practicing good kidney health. Number 2. Blueberries. These little berries, which are so alive with color, have been attributed to astonishing functions in promoting kidney function. An exciting feature of blueberries is that they have an unusually large amount of super tough antioxidants like anthocyanins, which may prevent kidney damage. And these antioxidants not only excel in warding off free radicals, but they can also check for oxidative stress on your kidneys. By reducing the peroxidation of lipids within cells, they delay the progress of kidney disease. Contrary to what you might think, eating blueberries increases how often you pee. This makes your body eliminate more waste and poisons than it would under normal circumstances. Blueberries also contain quercetin, which has been shown to decrease kidney-related swelling. As if that wasn't enough, swelling is also detrimental to your health in general. So, the next time you snack on a couple handfuls of these tasty berries, not only are you pampering your taste buds, you're also doing your kidneys some serious favors. Let's add a few cartons of blueberries to the grocery list and give the kidneys a little sweet love on the side. Number 3. Asparagus. The color of asparagus is a lively green, but it is much more than that. It boasts some fantastic properties that can help you cleanse your kidney and avoid kidney damage by the same process. Asparagus has a naturally occurring diuretic that raises water production to help your kidneys work well at eliminating waste. Asparagus also possesses a naturally occurring chemical that's very powerful. It's referred to as asparagine. Over and over again, studies have showcased it could potentially enhance kidney health by boosting blood filtration ability. Antioxidants in asparagus not only can also help to reduce the inflammation of suffering kidneys, but provide helpful relief in kidney pain. Number 4. Cabbage. Cabbage is a natural diuretic. This means that it helps increase urination, which helps the kidneys eliminate waste. Vitamins, strong antioxidants, and sulfur compounds ensure that the harmful free radicals can protect the kidneys from damage. Cabbage also contains glucose enolates, which are phytochemicals. Cabbage has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can mean kidney problems. Therefore, you must consume cabbage to keep your kidneys disease-free at all times. Number 5. Cranberries. Cranberries are not only delicious, but do a great deal of good by cleansing out your kidneys and stopping renal damage. Research has shown that proanthocyanins in cranberries work by not letting germs stick to the walls of the urinary system. Cranberries are a natural method to avoid urinary tract infections, which cause serious harm to your kidneys. In cranberries, antioxidants come in the form of mannose that lessens the swelling in your kidneys. These vitamins help maintain everything working the way it is supposed to in your kidneys and the rest of your body. Cranberries, as a natural diuretic, are able to induce increased urine flow by enhancing the kidney's waste excretion system. Number 6. Cauliflower. Do you know the incredible ways in which cauliflower can help your kidneys and protect against kidney damage? This cruciferous family member with its crisp, clean-cut look holds secrets that will wash your kidneys clean. Cauliflower is packed full of vitamins and minerals, along with antioxidants like vitamin C, folate, and indoles. Working together, they all assist the kidney's health to keep off inflammation and the despicable oxidative stress. Give your kidneys this powerful nutrition shot to keep them healthy. Simply add some cauliflower to your menu. Cauliflower has very little potassium and sodium in it. It's a good choice for people with kidney disease. For individuals with weakened kidney function, increased levels of potassium and sodium can lead to serious illness. Minerals like these may actually clog arteries over time and are known to lead to kidney damage. Cauliflower is amazing. Who would have thought it contains so much dietary fiber? A high-fiber diet lessens the risk of chronic kidney disease. Its soluble fiber normalizes weight and enhances glucose metabolism. Its insoluble fiber can also lower serum cholesterol levels. Furthermore, cauliflower promotes regular bowel movements, so that these benefits indirectly play into kidney health by reducing the risk for conditions that damage the kidneys. When you enjoy wok stir-fried or fire-roasted cauliflower, remember that it's not only a delicacy, but also helpful for your kidneys. Number 7. Egg whites. These naturally protein-rich packages house several therapeutic secrets, which are instrumental in purifying your kidneys. Because they include high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids, egg whites are an incredibly nutrient-dense meal and are thus the most important components for maintaining or healing injured kidney cells. Did you know that you could enhance your kidney function by consuming egg whites? These can also possibly help in the recovery of your kidney damage. Not to mention that they are not bad for you, as they contain less phosphorus. It is worth mentioning that individuals with kidney disease should watch their phosphorus intake as well. Too much phosphorus may harm the kidneys later on in life, although you are free to enjoy high-quality, kidney-friendly protein meals provided that eating just the right amount of phosphorus is something you are able to manage. Egg whites are naturally low in sodium and cholesterol. They are ideal for those watching their sodium intake or seeking to control their cholesterol levels. Since a diet low in sodium and cholesterol is particularly beneficial to overall kidney health, it also helps control blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease, which can hurt the kidneys. Whether you are a kidney patient or have special dietary needs, it's best to get advice from your doctor or a dietitian on how much protein and other foods to eat with your own points of view. So when you cook an egg white omelet or treat yourself to some scrambled egg whites, not only are you savoring their delicious taste, but also providing your kidneys with a protein that enhances their health. It's almost incredible how something as common as egg whites can provide so many excellent benefits for kidney well-being. Number 8. Garlic. This powerful herb has some remarkable secrets. It can purify your kidneys for you and improve their health. The active element in garlic is this compound allicin that gives the garlic its unique taste. It also boosts energy levels. Studies show that allicin has anti-cancer and antioxidant properties, both of which protect the kidneys from harm due to inflammation or oxidant stress. By adding garlic to your diet, you are giving your kidneys some protection in their battle against free radicals. Garlic is said to naturally produce more urine and thus help get rid of waste more quickly, salvaging your kidneys in the process. By excreting more urine, garlic will help flush out all kinds of toxins, stopping any dangerous substances from building up in and around your kidneys, something that could hurt them in potentially profound ways. Garlic has been shown to reduce blood pressure as well. High blood pressure is one of the primary causes of kidney injury, and by ingesting garlic, you'll also be ingesting a substance capable of reducing your blood pressure. This will give you a way to keep your blood pressure down and drastically lower the likelihood of any kidney-related complications. So remember, when you add a clove of garlic to your favorite dish or snitch a taste of roasted garlic, it will not only add flavor, but also boost your kidneys. Put faith in garlic and watch it caress your kidneys with chanting spells of health. Final thoughts. It's amazing to find out that there are actually certain foods which can help flush out toxins and reverse kidney damage thoroughly. From the incredible health benefits of cranberries as the anti-urinary tract infection agent, and the utterly demure apples with their toxin-sweeping properties, these could change the face of kidney health. The common effect of these 8 foods combined is really quite astonishing. If you incorporate into your diet each of these proposed foods, you may be able to flush out toxins from kidneys and partly restore impaired kidney function. Therefore, let's welcome these foods on our tables for our long-term kidney health and our brighter future. Subscribe to our channel and like all our videos for more tips on how you can keep yourself healthy with just natural methods.